This video isn't just about looking better. It's about rebuilding yourself from the ground up. Your mind, your body, your habits, your character. For the next 90 days, we're going to destroy the weak version of you and replace it with someone stronger. 3 months, 3 phases, 1 complete transformation. Month 1, life reset. Month 2, body and appearance. Month 3, mindset and character. This isn't just a glow up. This is the creation of a stronger man. Let's start. Month 1, life reset. In this month, you are going to reset your entire life. 1. Actually starting. The most life-affecting thing on the entire list. Start today. Not after more research, not Monday. Every single thing on this list is available to you right now. The gap between guys who transform and guys who spend years watching videos about it is not information. They have the same information. The gap is action. 2. Fixing your sleep. Same bedtime, same wake time. Dark, cool room. No phone 30 minutes before sleep. Maintained for months, this rewires your cortisol rhythm, optimizes growth hormone, clears your skin, leans out your face, and sharpens your mental clarity. Poor sleep equals under-eye puffiness plus a tired face. Good sleep equals a tighter, healthier-looking face. 3. Reduce addictive habits. Be honest with yourself. If you're constantly watching porn, scrolling all day, or chasing quick dopamine, you are draining your energy. You don't have to be perfect, but you need control. Discipline builds power. Alcohol causes systemic inflammation, disrupts sleep, suppresses testosterone, and visibly ages your skin. Guys who significantly cut alcohol report their face looking leaner and clearer within weeks. This isn't a lifestyle lecture, it's physiology. 4. Hydration. Not drinking enough water can cause a puffy face, dull-looking skin, a heavier appearance in the face. Enough water equals a cleaner, fresher-looking face. 5. Eliminating chronic inflammation through diet. Cut processed food, refined sugar, excessive alcohol, increase whole foods, protein, vegetables. Chronic low-grade inflammation from poor diet causes puffy skin, hormonal disruption, brain fog, and higher body fat. 6. Stress and cortisol. High stress can lead to fat storage in the face, puffiness and inflammation, an older-looking appearance. Managing stress has a direct impact on how your face looks. Always listen to your body and stop if something doesn't feel right. Month 2, body and appearance. Part 1, bodybuilding. 1. Exercise, especially strength training. Working out, especially bodybuilding or resistance training, can reduce body fat, make your face look more defined, help balance your hormone. 2. Getting lean. Your face reveals its actual structure. Your body reveals its actual proportions. The jawline, cheekbones, shoulder-to-waist ratio. None of these are visible if they're covered in fat. Getting to 10 to 15% body fat changes what people see when they look at you more than almost any other single variable. 3. Body fat percentage. Here's the hard truth. You can't spot reduced body fat. You need to lower your overall body fat percentage to see it in your face. Aim for 10% to 12% body fat for men and 18% to 20% for women. That's when you'll really see those facial features pop. A lot of people underestimate their body fat levels. Part 2, style. 1. Clothes that actually fit. A $40 shirt that fits beats a $150 shirt that doesn't. Shoulder seams sitting at your actual shoulder. Shirt tapering at your torso. This costs nothing if you already own the clothes. 2. Fitted t-shirts that hug your build. A well-fitting tee that sits at the edge of your shoulder seam and hugs your arms does more for your appearance than any accessory. It shows the work you've put in. It makes you look broader and more athletic. 3. Fixing your posture. Good posture makes you look taller, broader, more confident. Bad posture does the opposite of all of those simultaneously. Shoulders back and down, spine long, chin parallel to the floor. Free height, free confidence, free attractiveness. 4. Tongue posture. Keep your tongue pressed against the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth. This has constantly been claimed to strengthen your jaw muscles and reshape your facial structure over time. You've probably heard of it referred to as mewing. Part 3, appearance. 1. Eyebrow grooming. Cleaned up brows frame your eyes, improve perceived facial symmetry, and make you look more put together instantly. Take 60 seconds every 2 weeks. The impact to effort here is absurd. If you're not doing this, start today. 2. Nailing your haircut. The right haircut for your face shape makes a significant difference. The wrong one actively makes you look worse. Research your face shape, find a reference. Go to a barber who knows what they're doing. 3. Consistent skincare routine. Gentle cleanser, SPF in the morning. Cleanser and retinol at night. Done consistently for 3 to 6 months, the improvement in clarity and texture is dramatic. Most guys have never given a routine enough time to actually work. Month 3, mindset and character. Habit 1, calm confidence. Attractive people are not loud, they are chill. They don't need to prove themselves everywhere. They don't argue unnecessarily. They don't react to everything. They don't try to impress everyone. Their vibe is, I know who I am. When you don't panic about every little thing, when you don't get shaken by people's opinions, when you are comfortable in yourself, people automatically notice you. Confidence doesn't mean attitude. Confidence means, I trust myself. Habit 2, the way you speak. Attractive people don't speak fast or loud. They speak slowly, clearly. They just say what is necessary. There is weight in what they say. Remember, smart people don't speak much. Powerful people speak right. Follow 3 simple rules. Don't interrupt, speak in a chill tone, maintain eye contact. When you speak in a composed way, people start taking you seriously, and seriousness equals attraction. Habit 3, body language. Strong body language. 70% of attraction comes from your body language, not from face or clothes. Simple changes. Walk straight, don't bend, don't fidget, stay stable. And most importantly, avoid nervous movements, like checking coffee again and again, looking here and there. Attractive people are still. Their presence is heavy. As soon as they enter the room, people feel that their vibe is strong. Habit 5, emotional control. The most powerful habit, emotional control. Weak boys react, strong boys respond. Attractive people don't get angry quickly, don't get offended at everything, don't break from rejection. They know that ups and downs in life are normal. When you are emotionally stable, people feel safe around you, and safety equals attraction. People are attracted to those people who remain calm, even under pressure. Bonus point, the base of all habits is self-respect. If you respect yourself, then you won't waste time. You won't run after people. You will understand your value, and the world will also value you. To become attractive, you don't need a perfect face. You need confidence, purpose, communication, body language, emotional control. Work on these 5 habits, and people will notice for themselves that there is something special about this boy. Habit 5, building genuine confidence through competence. This is what separates guys who look good from guys who are actually attractive. Confidence isn't a trait you either have or don't. It's a byproduct of doing hard things and knowing you're capable. Putting yourself in uncomfortable situations repeatedly, that experience accumulates into a way of moving through the world that no haircut or outfit can replicate. Habit 6, days of quitting masturbation. We want to go step by step with you and tell you about the good changes during this time. Why do we say the 3rd day? Because the first 2 days are the days when you must overcome yourself to quit this habit. On the 3rd day, you feel that your physical and mental energy is slowly returning to its normal state, maybe even better than before. From a mental and energy point of view, you change a lot. On the 5th day, you feel better and wake up much more easily than before, even if you slept less, because the hormone levels in your body start to change. On the 7th day, you feel that your body has become stronger. You are no longer quiet and unmotivated. Weakness in your body decreases and your appearance looks better. Like before, you walk straight, strong, and with confidence. On the 9th day, your motivation, enjoyment, and hope for life, which had decreased before, come back again, and your hope increases. You get motivation and creativity even for hard tasks. On the 12th day, the pimples you had become less and disappear. By the 15th day, your skin becomes clearer and brighter, and you feel that it is softer and healthier. You come out of that tired and low energy state. On the 20th day, your eyes look clearer and better. During these days, some under-the-skin pimples may appear. By this point, it is time to look at yourself in the mirror and compare yourself with before. Are you satisfied with your face and appearance? Friends, if this has been useful so far, make sure to follow our channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching.